The bad person does not stop on doing pervertness. My memory is being ruined. High school memory. The Bobo Philippine camouflage is killer in this situation of myself. Please kill that person. If, slash head that person, but I not know of when it is will happen. I am not 29-year-old. There is killer, bad person. And then I not want to talk to them, nakakadiri. This is not part of my socialization. I wish bad person be dead. Corina, di ba kumuha ka sa ng ponytail? Bakit nasan na?